My name is Nate Bostain and welcome to my garage gym. I want to share something with you today. I'm 45 years old. I picked up weight training again in midlife. When I was younger, I played high school and college football. I powerlifted. At one point I could squat in the 700s. But now I'm 45 and I can't squat like I used to. I can't do a lot of lifts like I used to. And my shoulders and my elbows and my knees and a lot of other things are kind of banged up from all the sports that I did. So I've been experimenting with front squats now for about 5 years, and I love front squats because they really work the quads. They allow you to go into a full range of motion, which I have a hard time with when I'm doing back squats because of how I trained myself with powerlifting. But the problem with front squats is I've always been limited by my wrist mobility, by my shoulders, by the fact that I just feel beat up after I get done doing front squats. So I've been experimenting with ways to keep that front rack position, have strong front squats, without having a whole lot of pain up here and without fatiguing my upper body so much that I drop the weight before my legs get tired out. I found out that you can use a beach towel and do something amazing with it. Put it on the back of your neck, snug your neck up to the middle of the bar, wrap one side around here, wrap the other side around here, get a strong grip, and unrack. Now, what is amazing about this position is, with the wrapping of the towel, it keeps you wrapped and upright with minimal effort by your upper body, and with no mobility issues with your wrist. It is an excellent way to do front squats, to get that full range of mobility with your squatting without beating yourself up. And what I want to show you is how this works with different weights, how it works with holding it through set to failure, and also finally how it works if you need to bail out and need to drop that weight, how easy it is to still keep that, that bail position with the front squat even with the towel on. 135. 205. $275. 315. 245 to failure. 245 for a couple of pause reps, followed by a bail. There you go. I hope that helps you out. I know there's a lot of different front rack positions out there for front squatting, whether you use the standard clean grip, whether you use the so-called bodybuilder grip, which doesn't really work very well for me at all. You can use straps on the bar as well, and you can even spend a couple $100s and get something awesome like this Rhino front squat harness, which does an amazing job, but again, it costs $200. I can tell you that using a normal towel, like I demonstrated here, is just about as comfortable as that awesome front squat harness for a fraction of the price, and it's super easy to use. So, hope this helps you out, and see you next time.